Hi guys, Dan's Dollars here. A very good evening and a very good weekend to you all. A really good video then, this one. Well, all of them are, you know that, but this one especially. As you know, we have got plenty of gadgets on the channel, including the amazing ANDONSTAR. Yes, here we go, and this is going to be your opportunity to get an ANDONSTAR for your coin collection at home, so you will be able to look at your coins a lot clearer. Unfortunately, pardon me, just have to give you a moment today with my voice. Unfortunately, it isn't the big boy that we look through coins with, but nonetheless, we have got ourselves a really nice digital microscope. We're going to be giving it away in this video. We're going to leave the giveaway up for 1 week. And again, a really good opportunity. Let's try and turn this without my head being in the background. Nobody wants to see that. There we go. Don't worry, it's not broken, just a few air bubbles underneath there. Same kind of system, zoom in, zoom out through the lens at the bottom. And again, especially if you do have young coin collectors, a great way to look at them. So again, this is up for grabs in this video. All you need to do is comment ANDONSTAR. If you don't know how to spell it, I've put it in the comments already. Comment ANDONSTAR at the start of your comment in the comments section below. And again, a huge shout out to ANDONSTAR as well for making giveaways like this possible, for helping out the channel, and again, being able to look at our coins a lot closer as well. There's going to be some more close-up coins games over the course of the weekend. I do know that that does frustrate quite a few of you at home, but we are going to try and get using the ANDONSTAR a lot more, especially for close-ups, really looking at those coins in review and evaluation videos. Best of luck then, everyone. We're going to leave this one open until Friday 6 p.m. next week, so around 24 hours, and we'll get the results video up when I do get back from work, when we've had that 6 o'clock cut off. So again, pardon me for the voice again and the throat, it will be around 7 o'clock, but I will keep you updated with that. Again, an amazing product, an amazing company. Huge shout out ANDONSTAR. You guys are amazing. Good luck, everyone. Again, good luck with the how much is in Dan's box game as well. Plenty of giveaways happening this week. If you want to get in touch with me, anything about coins, questions, anything else, email me. Good luck, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.